Shocking news for America. China's electric car giant BYD is done worrying about the US market. As fuel prices keep climbing worldwide, BYD is positioning itself to dominate the global shift away from fossil fuels. They're not waiting for permission. They're not scared of tariffs. BYD is going full speed ahead, targeting markets across Europe, Asia, and beyond. While American automakers scramble, China is already winning the electric race. The future of driving is electric, and BYD knows it. Follow for daily news.